With this background remover you can remove even the most difficult backgrounds. For example, look at this photo of a woman. Yeah, and you can see how clean the separation is. This service is completely free and unlimited because all the calculations are made locally. You are not uploading any image to a cloud. It will all render by your CPU. It's simple. So let's see some more results. Like, look at this bag. It perfectly cuts it. It also looks nice. You can also separate colors and graphics. So now I will just drop my images and we will see how it works. Okay, let's upload this car. Well, as you can see, the result is pretty good. Let's test with this image. Yeah, pretty nice image, but as you can see here, it still doesn't remove it, but it can be easily fixed. Let's try with this image. And it perfectly handles it. If this video was useful, please leave it a like, subscribe to the channel.